Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So this one was a bit of a surprise. Anybody that's been watching the channel for quite some time will probably remember Temu sent me this thing and I really didn't want to like it, but when it come in at less than £30 and it come with 2 batteries, charger and everything, and it worked, kind of thought, well, for a young child, yeah, fair enough, I'll do a video on it. It worked, it didn't break, I bashed it about. But I've now got this from Temu. This is not something that they've sent me. I was just flicking through app, I saw it and thought, I ain't got a small bag for RC, so I'll give it a go. I thought I'd share this with you guys, see what you think. So, let's bring in for a close-up look and see if you guys are impressed with this as I am. So, we have this little bag. It's, yeah, from whatever that is, RC Enthusiast. And I think, off the top of my head, I think this is somewhere between like 15 and 23 quid, depending what offers they've got on. But first thing that surprised me is how thick everything is. All cross-stitched, double-stitched on everything. Really impressive. It comes with carrying handle with Velcro on it. You've also got attached a nice, easily adjustable handle that can clip off. And this is sewn and it goes all the way down and double stitched on it. So yeah, the overall build of it is very impressive. The clips, they feel nice and solid, don't feel like they're going to come off. But we have one pocket on the outside that we've got a hot D6 charger in there, and there was quite a lot of room, quite a big pocket, that one. Then we've got another pocket, and on the top of this we have a pocket for your transmitter. So we've got the FlySky MB4 Pro in the top. Then we've got a pocket on either side, so we've also got as charge cables in here. We've got a pocket on either side, and in this side I've got 2 of the 2S lipos that we use in touring cars. They fit in really easily. Then we've got another pocket on this side, and in this one I've got the tyre grip additive for his touring cars. I've also got a full-size toolkit behind the RC. Then we've got the RC itself with a Velcro strap over it. So we got a full 1/10 touring car in here, and that fits in no problem at all. In the bottom we've got like a inlay piece to stop the bottom of the bag getting damaged and just add a bit more protection to it. Then if I spin the bag round, so on the outside of the bag we have another zip pocket, and on this one I've managed to get another 2S racing packs in. So yeah, you can fit an awful lot in here. It's also deep enough to get any of the crawlers in, so the TRX4 fits straight in here. But for such a cheap bag, I'm really impressed with it, and I just thought I might as well do a video on this. I didn't initially buy it to do a video, I just thought I fancied a cheap bag just for chucking my drift car in. But yeah, this stuff is really thick, it feels really good quality. You'd have no problem fitting a lipo bag, chuck that in there as well to take with you. But yeah, quite a nice size bag, quite a lot of stuff fit in it, and the sort of finish on it is really tough. Even down to the stitching on all the straps. We've got little feet on it, and they are stitched into the bottom just to make sure that they don't fray or come undone. Nice chunky zips. I don't like the really fine tooth zips that you seem to get on a lot of the RC bags, and it is a double zip, it will unzip from both sides. But yeah, all the pockets, real strong zips. Nice Velcro on the short strap, and then the long strap is fully adjustable. Really easy to change size of it. But yeah, I was quite impressed with this thing for the price, and I just thought I'd share it with you guys. But yeah, not a bad little bag for quite a cheap price. But let's wrap this one up. So yeah, there we have it. Nice little carry-all for RC Cars. Round about 15 to 23 quid I think it is, depending what offers they've got on. And as I say, wasn't intentionally looking for something to put on a video. Just browsing through Temu, found it and thought, why not give it a go? If it's no good, it's dirt cheap, I can just use it as a bag and throw it away if it rips. But yeah, as it turns out, turned up more than adequate to fit most of the stuff in I'd want to take to a race. For me, I don't usually carry charger, I usually take 4 batteries, 3 qualifiers and a final, so the fact that it can fit a charger in it as well, and all the cables, yeah, quite impressed with it. But just thought I'd share it with you guys. But thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.